guys, so quickly I'm going to be making a coffee this evening. I've got my coffee. This I use decaffeinated coffee. I don't take caffeine, so I use decaf. So I'm going to just add like one tablespoon, no, 1 tablespoon, no, 1 teaspoon of this coffee. I'm not even going to fill it up. So this is all I need. This is just like a half of teaspoon of coffee. This is decaf. I'm going to add it into my mug, and I will add sugar. I'll add sugar. I'll add like 2 teaspoons of sugar, and come with me where I'm going to add boiled water. This is my boiled water. I'm going to add a bit into this. That's it. Just give it a little bit of time. And I'm going to add milk now. Let me add a little bit of water. So I'm going to add milk. So this is my milk. I use Cravendale fresher for longer. I love this milk because it can stay in the fridge up to 2 weeks without going bad, compared to other ordinary milk which cannot stay in the fridge for long. And that is why I love this milk, even though it's expensive, but it does the job. So I'm going to add it into my coffee. It's very creamy and thick. So I'm adding it. Just going to turn it together. Look at that. So delicious. I do take this at night. I go to bed relax, because remember, this coffee is decaffeinated. It's not caffeine at all, so it will not stop me from sleeping. In fact, if anytime that I did not take this coffee, sometimes my nights will not be good. It's like I have a sleepless night, or I feel like I'm tired, or something like that. So that is why I love to take it. Though sometimes I can skip as well. So yeah, let me give it a taste. That's so good, so good. So I'm going to take this with biscuits. Actually, I'm going to have this with digestive biscuit. Yeah, that's right, digestive biscuit. Here is my decaf coffee and my plate. I'm going to add my biscuits into the plate. My digestive biscuit that I'm going to have with this tea, with this coffee, sorry. I keep saying tea. So this is my digestive biscuit. It's so yummy. It's so delicious. I'm going to add 2. 3. I think I'm going to take like, yeah, that is 4 of it. So yeah, that's it. I'm just going to take my teaspoon away. So how I do it, I dunk it, I allow it to stay for a while, and then I I dunk it again. This is nice. Sorry, I did not show my face. I'm just gonna sip. Yes, guys. That's it for today. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.